The idea of celebrating Teachers' Day took root in many countries during the 19th century. In most cases, they celebrate a local educator or an important milestone in education. This is the primary reason why countries celebrate this day on different dates, unlike many other international days. Teachers' Day is a special day for appreciation of teachers and may include celebration to honor them for their special contribution in a particular field area or the community in general. Many countries celebrate World Teachers' Day, established by UNESCO in 1994 on 5th October as their Teachers' Day. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated annually on 5th September to mark the birthday of the country's former president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on this day in 1888. On September 5, 1962, some student asked permission to celebrate his birthday. He had said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and the tradition of celebrating Teachers' Day started from 1962 in India in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and all the teachers. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher, academic, and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India during 1952 to 1962 and the second President of India. One of India's most distinguished 20th century scholar of comparative religion and philosophy, after completing his education at Madras Christian College in 1911, he became assistant professor and later professor of philosophy at Madras Presidency College, then subsequently professor of philosophy at the University of Mysore. In 1936, he became the Spalding Professor of Eastern Religion and Ethics at the University of Oxford, by which he became the first Indian to hold a professorial chair at the University of Oxford. He was appointed Haskell Lecturer in Comparative Religion at the University of Chicago. Sarvepalli was awarded several high awards during his life, including a knighthood in 1931, the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India, in 1954, and honorary membership of the British Royal Order of Merit in 1963. He is the only president of India who could not attend the Delhi Republic Day parade due to his ill health. Unfortunately, on 17th April 1971, he died due to heart failure.